Welcome to the underwater city of Coral Reef. Today we are opening a special notebook to explore 5 incredible characters. Each has a unique personality and a special place in town. Join us on this grand tour through every page. On our first page, we meet Sheldon, the trusty blue pet snail. Take a look at Sheldon with his orange shell, magenta spots, and calm smile. Surrounding him are bits of his daily life: a blue shell, green sea coral, a pink seashell, and the iconic pineapple house where he spends his days. Sheldon expresses himself with a gentle meow, but everyone knows he is the smartest in the house. Whenever things get silly, Sheldon remains calm and steady. He loves simple pleasures, like crawling slowly across the seafloor. As we turn to the second page, we run right into the master of business, Mr. Crabclaw. Standing tall with his huge claws held high, Mr. Crabclaw is the proud owner of the famous burger joint in town. Look at everything around him: stacks of green dollar bills, shiny gold coins, green gems, and a massive treasure chest overflowing with gold. Money is his greatest passion. Every penny counts, and he can hear a loose coin dropping from miles away. Despite his obsession with wealth, Mr. Crabclaw has a giant heart when protecting his secret recipe. On our third page, we find the most loyal best friend, Starry the pink starfish. Look at Starry standing proudly in his favorite swim trunks. He is looking at us with a funny expression, tightly holding his favorite treat, a sweet strawberry ice cream cone. Scattered around his page are floating pink jellyfish, green sea kelp, orange starfish, and sky flowers. Starry lives under a simple brown rock, where he spends his days sleeping, eating snacks, and coming up with silly ideas. Starry's warm heart makes him a true treasure to everyone. On our fourth page, we enter the lair of the mastermind of mischief, Little Plankton. Don't let his tiny green size fool you, because Little Plankton has giant ambitions. Look at his wild expression as he raises both hands, holding a dollar bill high above his head. Surrounding his page are sea bubbles, pink seashells, dark blue coral, and a pink starfish. Little Plankton operates a quiet restaurant across the street. He spends every waking moment scheming to steal Mr. Crabclaw's world-famous burger recipe. Finally, on our fifth page, we meet the toughest creature in the ocean, Sally the land squirrel. Look at Sally standing, strong in her white diving suit with her helmet and pink flower accessory. Sally traveled from Texas to pursue her passion for science and sports. On her page, we see her favorite oak acorns, a pink jellyfish, red coral, and golden sea clams, living inside a special glass dome filled with fresh air. Sally brings karate chops and energy to the community. And that brings us to the end of our tour. These 5 unique friends make Coral Reef a truly unforgettable place.